Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So, I don't really have much planned today, but I thought, since I'm bored and since I got a new camera, as you can see right here, the Canon G7X, I thought I might as well make a vlog for you guys, and just try out this new camera. So hopefully the sound is all good, because on my old camera I had an external mic, but in this new camera, you can't add an external mic, so it might sound a bit dodgy, but hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, let's go find something to do, eh? Damn. Who's S2K? Damn. So guys, like I said before, I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm just hella bored, so I came out, and I guess we can restore the headlights again, or try to restore it. As you can see right there, it is a bit hazy once again. So for those who remember, I did try to restore it and it worked, but now it's hazy again. So I guess we can try and restore it, eh? And hopefully, because it is a bit windy today, and like I said, I can't add a mic, so hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. But yeah, apparently for the G7X you can buy these little Mustangs, so I might buy something like that. But yeah, let's attempt to restore the headlights, eh? So here it is. We're going to be using this turtle wax once again. Man, this shit lasts pretty long. It's been through how many cars? Maybe like 4 or 5 headlights, and it still lasts pretty long. I'm not going to sand it, I'm just going to do the compound, and yeah, let's go. So, are you guys ready? You probably already can see how shiny it is, but you probably won't notice a big difference until I show you how it looked before. Let's compare it, eh? So as you can see right here, we have the untouched side, which is the driver's side. As you can see, it is hazy. Look at that, look how hazy it is. Hella hazy. And ready for the new one? Here it is. This is the side I touched, look at that. Damn, hella shiny, eh? Look at that. 100 times way better. Fucking sick. But I do know that it's gonna come back, because I did this last time, and about half a year later it came back. But it doesn't really matter, because easy job anyway, so I don't really mind. So I'm gonna finish off the other side, and I'll catch you guys then. So there it is guys, the headlight restore is all done, and I don't think I actually did the driver's side as well as the passenger side, but it's still better than before. Hey, look at that, 100 times way better. Looks so clear now, eh? Even right here. Damn, 100 times way better. Ooh, look how shiny it is. Ooh. Also guys, if you realize, I don't have a banner like the rest of the crew, because I took it off last time because I wanted to make a new one, and my style that I wanted to do last time was actually have like a full windscreen banner. So the ones how it's like the whole windscreen, so it's covered, and then in the middle is where the letters are. However, I think I'm going to save that for next time, as I don't know who actually does that. I looked online and there's one from the United States, but I'm not too sure if I actually want to purchase it from there or try and find someone locally. So in the meantime, while I try and figure that out, I thought I'll print some new temporary banners once again until I actually find out who actually can make the full windscreen banners. So what I did was just printed, the new shirts with the box logo. I just printed that, and I'm going to use that font and style for the banner. So we got a few here. As you can see, just like the shirt, it's got the box logo, ZPG Garage, and at the bottom, 100 times way better. Alright guys, so we have finished putting on the new banner, and it kinda looks wonky. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but as you can see right there, it looks pretty good, but it's just a bit wonky, eh? So like I said before, I actually took out the box and just had the writing, because if I put at the bottom, the box will suit, but at the top, it probably looks a bit weird. So that's why I went for just the writing. But look at that. ZPG Garage, 100 times way better. Alright guys, so there wasn't much in today's video, and I'm kind of still bored, so I thought I might as well show you guys around the car of the biggest problem I have right now, which is the paint job or the paint condition of my car. So a lot of you guys already noticed from the boot that the paint is actually coming off. That's why I wrapped it, and like I showed you in my old video, the fenders is actually like getting rusted, but however I did touch it up with some touch-up paint, so you can't even see it anymore. Somewhere here, yeah, right there, I used touch-up paint, but like I said, you can't see it anymore. And with the fronts as well, use some touch-up paint, so you can't see it anymore as well. But yeah, like I said before, I'm going to show you guys around the car, because what happened just then, or like last week with heavy rain, is my hood is starting to peel as well now, and the side of my door. So basically the whole car is now stuffed up, and it basically probably needs a whole respray. But at the moment I'm not gonna really be doing that, because I'm either thinking of either respraying it or wrapping it in the future. So I'm not gonna go too much into detail. I just quickly show you guys the shit paint job that the car has. So first things first, you guys already know, all on my boot right here I have some shit ass paint job, hence why I put this wrap. I covered it up, and over here as well, the clear coat is actually peeling above the boot, and as you can see right here as well. And over here was basically my fault, because I sanded that or put some Bondo, but the rest was it was pretty much the car itself. What I realized the other day, the worst damage that I just possibly got was within the hood. Look at this, look at right here, look how ugly it is, look how big it is, basically the size of my hands. So as you can see, it doesn't look too bad because we're actually inside, but when it's raining, you can definitely tell, because this turns into a really light blue while the car stays the same. So you can definitely tell it's super ugly. As you can see, there is water in it, so the whole car is basically fucked. And then that's about it, I reckon. And little stone chips, every now and then. And also right here as well, this is new in here. So basically the top of the hood is starting to peel. So I'm assuming since it's winter and it's going to be raining hard, it's just going to keep getting water, and the whole hood's just going to start fading. And also the other day, I also realized this as well when I was about to jump in the car. Look at this, look at this on the driver's side. You see all these dots here? That's not dirt, that's basically the clear coat coming off as well. So all these dots right here is, I'm assuming it's like that, the clear coat is peeling. So the whole car basically needs a big respray, but like I said, I'm not going to be doing that anytime soon. However, I'm thinking more of a wrap, but at the same time the wrap is probably bad, because if I put it on and then I peel it off later, it'll probably end up peeling the whole clear coat off the car anyways. So I might need to respray it first, but however, I'm leaning more towards the wrap. But yeah, but anyways, the whole car basically is fucked. It needs a respray, Alright guys, so we just went to Super Cheap Order, just got back, and what's better than better? What's better than better? Is getting free tools from Super Cheap Order, because I had $15 credit, so had to use it before it expired. So I just picked up this spanner set, but fuck it, it's free, it's on Super Cheap, fuck it. Alright, look who we have here, Big Man Man. So, you know, I think we're gonna go play some ball with the rest. I guess I'll bring you guys along, eh? Yeah, say G spotter. Say G spotter. What the heck? Second cleanest type S, I know. Shit. Damn. Second cleanest, bro. Second cleanest. Yeah? Jimmy. Shit. Hey, wait, what? What?
Honestly.
Say G. Damn.
Shout out to
He didn't even know. He didn't even know. Yeah. Jimmy! Wait, bomb it. Let's put up. I say, look at your hair hack. Turn around, sideways. Yeah. Turn around. It's like a rooster. Wait, what? Shit. What a fitness kind of guy. Yeah, Jimmy?
CrossFitters for life.
Yeah, mate, that's the CrossFitters, mate.
That's like when you're on the dick. What? Oh, look at hands more. That's not. What about this one? Oh, this looks familiar. Man's movie. Strap in.
Wait man, what coilovers you running?
I'm running BC coilovers, the one that she wants, but like yeah.
Oh look, fully adjustable, yeah? Oh, fully adjustable. Damn. Alright, last one, what's this one, boss?
This one like
What?
yeah, the ghetto drum. You like this?
Ghetto drive.
When I'm cook for you.
I'm a Trumpster,
Ready for joy?
motherfucker.
Yeah.
Jeans skinny, like Squirrel. Looking for your girl, just missed it. Then my cat daddy, then my cat daddy.
Alright guys, so change your plans. I forgot to record when we play basketball. So now we're at the Glen. We're gonna eat some food, so I'll bring you guys along. Hey, got our Thai milk tea. Have a slice. That's alright, but it's a bit watered up. So you got soft serve, milk tea, pearls. Like, alright, our food just came. Fuck, looking sick, bro. Ooh. Ooh. So I got the tonkatsu ramen and the extra tonkatsu on the side, eh? Ooh. It's pretty lit, bro. You want some? Yeah. Oi, isn't this from Naruto? This, I don't know, but I can't pick it up.
Stop it. Yeah.
Oh man, you lost every corner there.
Fuck, just finished. Fuck, it was too good, too good. The ramen was A1, A1. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it because you know, I thought I bought a new camera, so might as well go out and test it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.
I'm a Trumpster,
Ready, boy,
motherfucker.
Yeah!